In a previous video, I showed you how to set up Yoast SEO to help drive traffic to your website. Now, let's look at how we can track that traffic. Google has made it easy to track who is visiting your website and how they got there using Google Analytics. It's free to set up, so let's get started. I'm Laura from solopreneurmentor.com. I have 15 years experience building an online business from home called D3 Website Solutions. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up a free Google account so you can access Google Analytics and Search Console. I will also show you how to add your Google Analytics tracking code to your website using a free plugin. Finally, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics with Search Console and Yoast SEO so you can track keywords your website visitors use to find your website. Let's tackle your technology trouble together. The first thing you need to sign up for a Google Analytics account and a Google Search Console account is an actual account with Google. You don't have to have a Gmail account in order to do this. You simply can click on sign in and click on analytics. So I'm at google.com/analytics. And once I do that, it's going to say, okay, log in. And what you can do is you can click on create an account and then use whatever email address you want and confirm and do all the next steps. I've already done that. I already have an account with Google. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on sign up. I do not have a Google Analytics account yet with this email address, so I'm going to click on sign up. What I want to do is I want to now create an account name. This is the top level for the website I'm adding. So you can add multiple websites per account. So for example, if I had a business and then I had like an online store that was a different website from just my normal business account, I would just have one account name for my business, but then I could set up multiple website names under that. So this one's just going to be Blue Sky, and this is the Blue Sky website, and the URL is blueskycounselingnc.com. I believe that's right. Let me check. Yep. You can select the category for your website. Usually I end up selecting other. And the reporting time zone, I'm on the East Coast. I'm going to go ahead and choose East Coast. And then you can choose how much you want to share with Google. I usually share all of it. I'm not super tight about my security, but you can feel free to read through all that and figure it out. So I'm going to get the tracking ID. And I'm going to accept. So now I've got my tracking ID, which is located right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in the website. So I'm going to show you how to do that quickly and easily by using a plugin. You're going to go to where you install plugins for your website. You're going to click on Add New. And then you're going to type in Google Analytics plugin. And the one you want looks like this. You can look through all of them if you like and try to figure out the best one that you want, but I really like this one. So go ahead and click install. And it also has over 900,000 active installs and has a 4.5-star rating. So it seems to be pretty good. It's last updated 1 month ago. So that's good to know as well. So click on activate. Once you've activated it, you're going to go down to Google Analytics now, and you're going to click on tracking code. You want it enabled, you want universal analytics on as well, and we're going to now put in the actual tracking code itself. If we go to General Settings, you can authorize this plugin to properly configure the Google Analytics plugin. Click on this Get Access Code to get a link. And I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and click Allow. And this is the code I'm going to copy and paste into here. All right. And the view I want is the only one that I have, so you want to make sure that that's selected correctly. And it looks good, and automatic updates are on. Okay, now my Google Analytics are installed on my website. What that means is now anytime someone hits my website, that information will be collected. There are a lot of different settings you can go through here if you'd want. So you currently you can show the statistics only to the administrator. If you want someone with less access, you can choose something else here. And you can go through some of these and just see if there's any other things you need to change. Right now it looks pretty good to me. So I don't think there's anything left that I need to change. That's all. And actually from the dashboard, I should be able to see what's going on quickly and easily without excuse me, without actually having to go to Google Analytics to see this information. Of course, I just set this up so there's nothing to see, but this would give me a quick overview of what's going on via Google Analytics. It's really nice to have that in your WordPress dashboard. So now that I've set up Google Analytics, what I want to do is I want to set up Google Webmaster Tools, which is now called Search Console. So you're going to go to google.com/webmasters. You're going to click sign in. Now you already have an account with Google, so we're just going to type in the password here. I don't think I typed that in right. We'll see. Oh, I did it. Okay, so what I want to do now is go ahead and type in the website name. Click on Add Property. There are a few different ways to do this. I am actually going to go with an alternate method and click on Google Analytics and click Verify. It says, good job, you've successfully verified your ownership. I'm going to click Continue. The next thing I want to do is I want to go over to this gear thing, and I'm going to click on Google Analytics Properties. And I'm going to check my Blue Sky website, and I'm going to click Save. So now I'm linking what people are searching for, keywords people are searching for with Google Analytics. So all that additional information will be put in, which is really, really helpful. You want to do that. Make sure you link the two. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and click on it again, and I'm going to go to Crawl, and I'm going to go to Sitemaps. And remember, I installed in an earlier video, we installed Yoast SEO, and what we did was we looked at the sitemap. So if you don't remember, you can go to SEO XML sitemaps if you have advanced settings turned on, and you can click on this link to get to the sitemap. I already have done that, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this last part here. I'm going to add test. What I'm going to do is first type in, and then I'm going to type in test just to make sure it can pull in the stuff. It found only one page, which is all that we have. So I'm going to actually now add it by pasting it again. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to hit test. I meant to hit submit. So now what will happen is Google has been told, please go ahead and crawl this website. It's ready to go. And then once the sitemap is live, it will show up here. So what search engine or which search console will tell you is it will show you your analytics based on what people are searching for, keywords people are using, and it's a really helpful tool to determine how people are finding your website. What are they searching for and how are they finding you? And then you can fine-tune some of your content on your website to that so people can find you more easily, because the more content you put in that relates to those searches, the more likely they are to find you. So one last thing we need to do is we need to go back to Yoast SEO, and we want to set up Search Console so that Yoast can use the same information in Search Console as well. So we're going to click on Get Google Authorization Code. I'm already logged in with the email address that has Google Analytics attached to it and Search Console, so I'm going to click Allow. And just like we did before, I'm going to copy that. and paste it in here. Click Authenticate. And save profile. And that's good. So now it's connected with Yoast SEO as well. So those are the two tools you want to make sure you have in your tool belt, both analytics and search console, and connecting them with Yoast SEO so you can get a full picture of where your traffic is coming from, and over time see how you can make your website better to hit your target audience. We just tackled your technology trouble together. Doesn't it feel good to use technology the way it was intended? Thanks for watching this video, and please check out the additional resources listed below and share this video with anyone else who might need technology help too. Please visit solopreneurmentor.com for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to use technology to make you more productive while building your business from home.